Welcome back. In this video, we continue expanding your English vocabulary with more useful words, starting with the letter G. Learn their meanings and see practical examples to help you use them confidently. Gain. To get or increase something. She gained a lot of experience from that job.
Practice helps you gain confidence when speaking English.
Hackers tried to gain access to the company's computer system. Employees need a card to gain access to the building. Gain, in weight. To put on weight. He gained weight during the holidays.
Many people gain a few kilos during the holidays.
Garbage. Waste or unwanted things. Take the garbage out, please.
Throw the wrapper in the garbage can.
Gather. To collect or bring together. We gathered flowers in the field.
We gathered around the table to talk. Detectives gathered evidence at the crime scene.
Generosity. Willingness to give or share. Her generosity helped many families.
Her generosity towards others is inspiring.
Giant. Very large or huge. That dog looks like a giant.
They built a giant statue in the square. The surfer rode a giant wave.
Glacier. A large mass of moving ice. The glacier is slowly melting due to climate change. Glasses. Lenses worn to improve vision. I need glasses to read small text.
My grandmother always carries her reading glasses.
Gloat. To show pleasure at someone's failure. He gloated after winning the game. Glove box. Small compartment in a car's dashboard. The papers are in the glove box. Golf course. A large outdoor area designed for playing golf. We spent the afternoon playing on the golf course. Gossip. Talk about other people's private lives. She loves to gossip about her neighbors. Grab. To take or get something quickly. I'll grab a coffee on my way to work.
Come on, grab a drink with us. Let's grab a coffee after work. He grabbed his arm to stop him. The bright colors grab attention immediately.
Gradual. Happening slowly over time. There was a gradual change in the weather.
There was a gradual increase in temperature. With practice, you will see gradual improvement.
Graduation. Ceremony of finishing studies. Her parents came to her graduation.
Her family attended her graduation ceremony. Students threw their graduation caps in the air.
Graphics. Pictures or images in books or on screens. The video game has amazing graphics.
She studied graphic design at university.
Grasp. To hold tightly or understand something. He grasped the rope tightly to avoid falling.
I couldn't grasp what he meant. She grasped the opportunity to study abroad.
Grasshopper. A green insect that jumps. The grasshopper landed on my arm. Gratitude. Feeling of thankfulness. She showed her gratitude with a smile. Greet. To say hello or welcome. He greeted me with a big smile.
Staff members greet guests at the hotel entrance. The host greeted us warmly at the door.
Grind. To crush into small pieces. I grind coffee beans every morning.
Some people grind their teeth when they sleep.
Grind. Sharpen. To make something sharp. He ground the knife before using it.
He ground the edge of the knife carefully. The The blacksmith ground the knife on a stone.
He sharpened the knife before cooking. Grinder, a machine for grinding food. Use the grinder to make fresh coffee.
She added some pepper with the pepper grinder. He used a meat grinder to prepare the hamburgers.
Grower, a person or company that grows plants. That region is a big grower of apples.
We buy vegetables from a local grower at the market.
Grubby, dirty or messy. Your hands are grubby. Go wash them. Grunt, a short, low sound made by a person or animal, often to show effort, discomfort, or frustration. He gave a grunt of disapproval. He grunted with effort while lifting the box. Guidance, help or advice. I asked my teacher for guidance. Many people seek guidance from mentors.
This movie may require parental guidance for younger viewers. Students receive career guidance before choosing a university.
Green. This word has several common derivatives in English. Greenhouse. Many vegetables are grown in a greenhouse. Greenery. The park is full of beautiful greenery after the rain.
The garden greenery looks beautiful in spring.
Greenish. The water had a strange greenish color. Green light. The boss gave us the green light to start the project. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is causing global temperatures to rise. Greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas. Greens. She eats a lot of greens to stay healthy. Ground. The solid surface of the earth where we stand or walk. We sat on the ground to have a picnic. Ground has derived words related to place, reason, and action.
There are no grounds for complaint. The police had grounds for suspicion after finding the fingerprints. Don't throw the coffee grounds in the sink.
Groundless. His accusations were completely groundless. Grounded. After breaking the rules, he was grounded for a week. The grounded teenager couldn't go out with friends. He is very grounded despite his fame and success. Despite his fame, he tries to stay grounded. Playground. The kids are playing in the playground. Groundwork. They did the groundwork before starting the project. Good preparation is the groundwork for success. On the ground. The reporters are on the ground covering the event. Gold. This word has several common derivatives related to gold or something valuable. Golden parachute. The CEO received a golden parachute after the merger. Goldfish. The child fed the goldfish every day. Golden mine. That new app is a golden mine for making money. Gold-plated. He wore a gold-plated watch to the party. Goldsmith. The goldsmith crafted a beautiful ring. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these words, and soon your English will be even stronger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos in this G series. See you next time.